Welcome to our recycling facility. Today, I'll take you inside and show you exactly how millions of old cars are transformed into railway tracks.
Pressure in Sector 7 is rising.
Acknowledged. Increasing coolant flow. High-temperature furnaces transform old car metal into molten steel ready for shaping. High-temperature furnaces transform old car metal into molten steel ready for shaping. Every stage is monitored for maximum precision to ensure track safety.
Every railway track undergoes rigorous inspection before leaving the factory.